Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'm here with another review. So reviewing a hair blow dryer because you gotta make sure you keep your hair did up, okay? I really liked it, the look and the style of this particular hair dryer. So let's see what all it comes in. I love that it has a variety of different colors too, you know. And what also caught my eye was that um, it has like a low noise because a lot of hair dryers can be loud as hell. And it has a high speed motor. And oh, and I dropped something already. Let me go get that. Okay. So it comes in kind of bent that, sorry. It comes in all these cool colors, which I think all of them are pretty. The pink and gray, the blue, which is the one I got, the red, the black and gold, the white, and the green and gold. So I thought that was awesome too. Let's open it up. When you open it, it looks like this. And what I like about it, it's small too, so it's easy to pack it up and travel with it. It's so small, so I like that. And not only do it give you a blow dryer, but it give you this cute little comb. Look at that. That is so cute. I think that is neat. So the blow dryer is 1800 watt. Oh, and it's soft. It's soft right here. It's like a little bunny rabbit. That's cute. Nice and sturdy. Thank you. Everybody need to comb their heads. Get the naps out. Nothing wrong with that. All right. So this is what it looks like. It's basically simple. It has one button on there. You know, your high, your low, your medium, and your off switch. So one, oops, hit it up too much. So you click up 1, 2, 3, and that's it. That's what it looks like inside. This is what your plug is. And I just got the navy blue because, you know, I like blue. So that's what I got. If I would pick a different one, the color probably would have been the gold and green. I was feeling that one too. All right, now let's see how loud this is, okay? Plug it up right behind me. Guess it'd help if I take these off, right? And this is high. A lot of power. Ooh, that's a lot of power. This little thing kicks out a lot of heat. I felt that. Whew, honey. It's going to get the job done. Definitely going to get the job done for you. Love it. Oh, definitely love it. That was nice. So yeah, the company don't have a name. It really is a whole bunch of initials, which is CLWHJ. So, um, that's what the company name. This is gonna run you about $34 on Amazon, and I got it like I ordered it yesterday, late yesterday, and I got it today. So, very fast shipping, as well. But I like it. Like, this is good for your bathroom, traveling. If you do hair, little salon or whatnot. Like I said, it got a low speed and a high speed, and you have your off button. But I really like it. It's a vibe. Yeah. So like I said, get you a nice little hair dryer, something small, easy for your travel, easy to keep in your bathroom. Ain't taking a lot of room, and it's cute. Like this is cute. And like I said, look at all the other colors. If this ain't blue, ain't your fan, you ain't a fan of blue. Look, they got every color you need. Pink, for the girlies. Red, even for the guys. Red, the green. Neutral person, the white. The black and gold look nice too. And it's very light. And you're gonna get a lot of power. Like y'all saw how it was blowing my braid. Let me show y'all how it blew my braid. Look at this. Hold on. Ooh, and it's hot. That baby is hot. Ooh, that baby is hot. Like you gonna get your hair dry in a couple of minutes with this, cause this is hot. Like, whoa, man! If they had a comb to go with it, what? I mean, a comb that's actually on the actual dryer, but this will have to do. Going, you know. But yeah, $34 on Amazon as usual. Brand name is CLWHJ. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys.